So it's about 23 degrees out here right now. Just doing another check on the hives here. See what kind of heat is going on here. So I added another 10 deep to this box right here, the one that was packed in my last video. And it looks like there is some heat going on up in the top there, so mostly in the bottom though. There it is right there. But I added this was the one that I live streamed and it was packed out, but I put some empty frames, just comb right in the middle, and then frames with plastic foundation on the outsides, so when the queen's ready to move up, they got room, because they have lots of drone and they were looking like they were getting ready to swarm, so I had to add some room there. But you can see the heat coming out of the hole there. This box right here is see much of heat, but pretty sure they're okay in there. It's just one, like not even 2 frames of bees maybe.